Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Cosman here with another experiment for you. So, yesterday we learned about what caused a thunderstorm. We learned when cold air and warm air come together, they don't mix so well. That the cold air pushes the warm air up and it causes unstableness in the air, which causes a thunderstorm to form. But sometimes that thunderstorm can turn into more than just a thunderstorm. Sometimes it can turn into a tornado. Last week in your e-learning reading, you read about how when warm air and cold air mix and they cause that unstableness and it forms a thunderstorm, that sometimes there's really strong winds that go along with it. And when those really strong winds are mixing with the cold and warm air, they sometimes form a funnel cloud. And when that funnel cloud touches the ground, we call it a tornado. So today, we're going to have a little fun with tornadoes and make our own little tornado. All you need is a clear glass jar. It's better if it's completely round. It works a little bit better than like some of the other jars I was using were a little more square. So I just found an old pickle jar and took the label out, rinsed it out. You need a round jar, some water, food coloring, just a teeny tiny bit, and some soap. So I'm going to fill my jar up with water. I filled it almost all the way to the top with water. I'm going to put just a little bit of dish soap in. You don't want to put too much dish soap, otherwise it's going to get too bubbly. And a little bit of food coloring. I used yellow because I was able to see it the best with yellow. Some of the other colors, it was a little too dark and I wasn't able to see the tornado as well. And again, just like 1 or 2 drops of food coloring, not a lot, because if you put too much, it gets too dark and then you can't see it. Then you're going to put the lid back on nice and tight. And you're going to spin it around in a circular motion. And you'll see you have a tornado in a jar. Eventually it'll settle back down. And you can mix it back up again. Something cool I saw online, they suggested adding glitter or beads in to see how a tornado picks up and moves debris into the funnel cloud. I don't have beads or glitter at home, but I did have sprinkles. So I'm going to put some sprinkles in there. And we'll test that out, see how it goes. They said it works better if you turn it upside down. I'm not sure why, but so you can kind of see my sprinkles are really light, but they're kind of at the bottom. And spinning around with my tornado. And the more you do it, the more the food coloring gets mixed up and it's a little bit harder to see, but pretty cool. You got your own little tornado in a jar. Super easy. Try it at home. Let me know how it goes. Have fun. Keep exploring.